one that's underneath us right now.
Using it.
Well, yeah.
Beautiful. What's this?
Oh, aren't those cool? Those are called pink quill.
Wow.
And they just happen to be in bloom right now. And see all these things up here? Those are, that's all coffee.
Oh, okay.
And then beyond that, see that big tree with the reddish? That's a mango tree.
Oh, back there, yeah.
Yeah.
Are these? Is this a fig, the big one here?
This is a African tulip tree.
African tulip.
So anyways, I built this whole thing. This is my front door. I've been working on this project.
okay.
So.
That's gonna replace the one that's there now.
Yeah, the one you guys just walked.
Plenty of windows and good natural light.
This is Ulu.
Oh, okay. With breadfruit, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, it reminds me of a primavera, or like white mahogany. It kind of looks like that. Feels like that.
Oh, hi. My name's Dave Sigman, here in Honaunau, Hawaii. And we're in my shop here. I build ukuleles, among other things. Cabinets, canoe paddles, kind of whatever comes along. So today I'm working on a tenor, this is a concert-sized ukulele. And this is ulu wood, or breadfruit. So.
Pretty cool. It's fun to try out new woods. When you get a nice, clear, fine-grained board, you just give it a whirl, see if it sounds good, right?
Yeah. So and then my plan for it, I'm going to do an inlay on the peg head. You see, like on Hawaiian quilts, like this old quilting pattern of breadfruit leaves, like going in 4 directions, like this, with the little rounders. So it's kind of a stylized quilt pattern. So that's what the inlay is going to be.
Oh, okay. So that's like a common motif from Hawaiian.
Yeah,
quilt
you see
making?
that one. You see that one a lot. There's over there. That's the.
Oh, the soundboard's over there.
I was just working on the rosette today.
Lee is the Civic Association president in her neighborhood.
You build instruments too. So you probably have one of these.
Yeah. So Henry, that's what he used to cut the rosette, that channel to put the pearl in.
See this little cutter? See this little thing here? That's a sharp little thing. It spins really fast. So you see this little centering pin there? See that goes on there.
For now,
And then
her partner have put their home search.
You cut that, and then you go like this. See that? And it cuts it perfectly round. It just follows that radius. There's another piece of wood there.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that was how big it was. So it was all dry and everything. So.
Good. So it's been resting a while, waiting to be something.
Yeah, it's all cured. It's been down for a couple of years.
How much you sell a shell for that you would dive down and get?
A shell? Like what kind of shell?
Well, didn't you say you used to dive for abalone?
Yeah, in California. Yeah, they don't have abalone here. So.
Right. So how much when you were a young man and you were diving for abalone? How much would you sell a shell for after you?
I would never sell one and give it to somebody for free.
There you go. There's your answer.
Oh.
It's so special. Just give it away.
Because how can you make money off of poor abalone? So. A while ago. So sometimes you do inlays like up on the peg head up here. And this one is down on the fretboard. So see how these slots that go through it? Because the metal fret wire goes across those. So you have to be sure you leave enough room in there so you don't smash it up and pound it in with a hammer. So other stuff, it's all in the house, I guess. This stuff is called Ukulele. And it's from Samoa. And it looks a lot like the audio.
Yeah. It reminds me of some of the stuff I get from flooring scraps, the Brazilian cherry flooring scraps. That's kind of this reddish, right? Jatoba, I think is the other name for that.
Jatoba, right? Oh yeah. So I think that's pretty plentiful.
That'll sound pretty good. More koa wood, right?
So I've kind of gone away from my labels a little bit, so I got a branding iron.
Right.
So I've been burning my name in there.
Yeah, that's what we've been doing too.
Yeah, I got it from Rockler.